Let's try and create yet another user using the post setup, and this time we'll try and track it through the system and see what goes on. Let's just create me, Lars. I don't care about the rest of it, we can switch that later. So I'm doing a post here and I'm doing a send. Remember, it's raw, it's a application JSON, and I get a response back. But actually, let's try and go through the code step by step and see what actually happened. So first of all, let's go to the customer routes, because that's where we're going in, right? And we hit /customer/nothing, so we hit the post function, passing in all the args that are available to the create of our controller. Where is that residing? Of course, it's in the superclass called controller up here. So here we should have a create function, and there it is. And that uses the Facade's create function and sends in the request body. Let's just, for the fun of it, try and print the request body to see what that is. Console log request body, there we go. So now I'll print it in a second when I make another guy just to show you. But the create function in the Facade, what is that actually? Well, let's find the create one. It's up here. It just takes the schema and creates a new guy of whatever we're sending in our case a customer, and saves it, just using the default way that Mongoose saves stuff, right? So again, all the Mongoose information is stored in the Facade. The controller is independent of that. It doesn't know how Mongoose saves stuff, but using the controller's Facade's create will still create a new customer. And then we'll say if everything went well, we're going to pass a 201 for created, and then we're going to pass back as JSON the actual document we just created. And then if something goes wrong, we'll just resend the error to whoever's listening in the stack. Great. So let's try and do it once more just to show you what it actually sends in the body. So I'm going to create a last 2. We can never get enough lasses, so that's why we're going to do that. Going to add last 2 here, send. Last 2 is also created. Let's just do a get to see that they are all available. There we go, last 2 is also available. And again, I'll just show you the console here to show you what the actual body that was sent is. And that's actually first name, last name. So the body is going to be whatever you put inside the body of your actual HTTP request. That was all for this lesson. Now you also know how the post kind of steps through the code. And next I'll just try and show you how to make a new route, and then we'll move on to something different.